Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the passenger seat in a Jeep Wrangler. First, find the horizontal bar located under the front edge of the seat cushion. Gently pull this bar upwards to release the seat's locking mechanism. Now, you can easily slide the entire seat forward or backward along its tracks. Once you've found your perfect position, simply release the bar, and the seat will lock firmly into place, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. Next, let's adjust the seat back's recline. Look for a lever on the outer side of the seat, usually near the bottom cushion. Lift this lever to disengage the recline lock. While holding the lever, lean your body forward or backward to achieve your preferred angle. Once you're comfortable, release the lever, and the seat back will click into its new, secure position. It's that simple to find your ideal recline. For enhanced comfort, some Jeep Wrangler models offer adjustable lumbar support. If your seat has this feature, you'll find a small knob on the side of the seat back. Turning this knob clockwise will increase the lumbar support, pushing it further into your lower back. Turning it counterclockwise will decrease the support. Adjust it to provide optimal comfort for your passenger, making long drives much more enjoyable. Finally, let's adjust the headrest for safety and comfort. Locate the small button on the side of one of the headrest posts. Press and hold this button while simultaneously raising or lowering the headrest to the desired height. It should align with the top of your passenger's head for optimal protection. Always double-check that all seat adjustments are securely locked before starting your journey, ensuring everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.